All right, we are back. Need a strong cup of coffee when this segment is on. Philomena Alexis Baptiste is here. We are getting ready to do another meal on a budget.
This is correct. Yes, well this week, Mr. Joel, we're doing microwave oatmeal.
You're going back in the microwave?
Yeah, but you see, I thinking about people who has to go to work and is not eating breakfast. And breakfast is one of the most important, if not the most important, meal of the day.
That's very important.
You understand what I say?
You made it sound extremely important.
It is, it's very important, you understand? And as I was telling you before, you see, when you're getting up in the age, you understand, cross 40, your belly can't take, your body can't take. So you have to do what you know you have to do, you understand? And of course, food is very expensive.
Yes.
So we have to think of different ways. No. So all I'm trying to do is help people out.
No, and I mean, we make fun sometimes, and we enjoy what we do here on the show and presenting this segment to you. But it is a very serious segment because we are presenting ways that you can cut and contrive
and still
and
eat
survive
and mash up your body. You understand what I say?
Because look at your body, eh?
Hello.
Your body.
Hello. You cannot be touching me like this.
No, I'm just saying, you can't mash up your body. Your body is in fine form.
Does you have $150,000 to pay? Thank you very much, right? Anyway, this is oatmeal for one, right? It's just you. So
oatmeal for one?
Yeah, so you're buying your oats, your regular oats, you understand?
But oats are expensive, yeah?
Well, it depends on how you buy it. If you buy it wholesale, remember, when you're buying the grocery, that is the smallest amount. So if you get with your girlfriends and you know you're making porridge and things for your children, or you buy a big bag of oats in one of them, what you call it, private shopping place or whatever, you could cut it up and you understand? Right. And this is only taking a half cup of oats. But what it's doing for you, it's giving you at least 6.7 grams of protein, which is more than an egg.
So you say buy the oats in bulk?
Yes.
Yeah, buy the oats in bulk. Right.
Right? Okay, so it's just a regular oats, they go say roll oats, steel cut oats, all kind of, you just buy the oats, you understand? No name brand, even better, right? So this is a half cup of oats, right? So we're putting that in there, right? And we're adding 150 ml of water or 2/3 cup. If you like it metric, 150 ml. If you like it regular, 2/3 cup, you understand?
Yeah, no, your maths always impress me.
Thank you. Thanks to Alta. Anyway,
your maths is
right, I wanted to cut up some of them.
I work to do?
This is pecan, or you could use walnut. I use the pecan because it has a sweeter flavor and it has this more good cholesterol in it than the walnut. You understand? And you could buy these in small bag, or again, you could buy it in a big bag and share with your friend, or if you like a particular kind of nuts, well, you could use that. So cut up that. I need a tablespoon of that.
Philo, this is a little expensive. This is walnuts and pecans and things expensive nuts.
Listen to me. Who you're buying it for? Not you. Right. And you're buying it in a small pack. You ain't buying it in a big pack. You understand what I said?
Okay.
I mean, you have to think about what you're doing, but we still not going and spend $20. You understand what I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So any breakfast anyway could be at $20.
Okay.
You understand? We're trying to save that, and it's not every day you could eat doubles. You understand? Because then your hips could start to look like mine. Right.
Unlike mine, because every day I could eat doubles.
I thought you was eating doubles when I looked at you, right? You look like a double. Right. So this is a tablespoon of pecan. Let's say you can use walnut or almond if you like, but I like sweet. And then we're using a tablespoon of raisins, right? And raisins is very good for you. It adds sweet without adding sugar, right? So we put a tablespoon of raisins there. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt, just a pinch. You understand what I said? Right? Right. And we're putting this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Right? Now, Mr. Joel, this is so nutritious. It's full of fiber. You understand? Carb. Oh God, that's 2 seconds. What's wrong with me over there?
Yeah.
Right.
Careful. Yeah.
Yes, no. What kind of?
Lord.
Right.
Right. Oh my God.
On, right.
Yes, you get it.
So, if you're worried about dieting and how much carbohydrate you're intaking, if you're on a 1,200 calorie diet, a 1,200 per day calorie diet, right, which is, they will say, is the best amount of calories to keep you slim, trim, and out of the gym. I just invented that. You like that, right? Right? What you could do, or what you can know, is that this recipe is only approximately 240 calories. So you already are making a dent, you still have room.
You have room to have calories for the rest of the day.
Correct.
But this is breakfast we're talking here. This is first meal of the day.
You see, oatmeal is something you could eat anytime. Okay. It doesn't have to be breakfast. You understand what I said? Right? So don't get tired up about, oh, well, I had to eat this for breakfast and I had to eat that for lunch and ting. The main thing is to get nutrients in at every time and try and hold off on the oil. The oil and the flour, it go kill me. Fry oil. You understand? Everything is fried oil. You know?
True.
Flour in fried oil, right? Now I love it. Don't get me wrong.
I can see that. I could see that.
You can see it. Right? Anyway, gosh. Cut up a half a banana here. It's something else, you know. I am amazed somebody married. Yes, right?
I am also amazed sometimes as well. Yeah.
Grateful.
Half a banana?
Right? Yes, half a banana. And he's going to lose my food badge. We cannot eat while we're preparing the food and eat it from the It will make me lose my food badge. Use something else.
So what I would do with the rest next half?
Well, eat it when we finish the thing, but use something else. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, Mr. Joel, he's trying to go into international. You doesn't see them people do that in them big show on TV. Come on, he's something else.
In video?
That is very good.
Very good.
You know, you is the kind of people, they say dress you up and leave you home. You have no behavior. Right. So we
what are we doing now?
We open this almost.
So this go in 2 minutes and then what happens after that?
And then it comes out looking like that.
Oh, it comes out looking just like that?
Right. Now, when it comes out looking like that, you have the option, depending on what you like. If you like your oatmeal runnier, well, you add milk.
Right.
And if you find that the raisins is not making it sweet enough, you could add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Right. And what I do is I add a little cinnamon, a little spice. Cinnamon is also very good for you. Right. So, oh, wow. Okay. So as we see, the water has totally been absorbed by the oats.
But this
oats is cooked, right? And we just go in and sprinkle a little cinnamon, not too much, right? And we go in and mix that up. So they will see that the texture is all what you wanted. If you notice right now, it's like a paste, right? But we can add some milk to that, whatever kind of milk you like, not evaporated milk, because that's not real milk, right?
What type of milk you using there?
I was using lactose-free milk.
Okay.
You understand? Half cream, not full cream, because I don't need anything full again. Everything is full, right?
Can I taste here?
You can taste here, but I want to suggest a taste here because this
is it hot?
Well, you like cold food, right?
No,
let me make presentation, right? So you get your banana in. So we have all the food groups in this meal. You understand? And of course, a minimum of fat. How you like that?
I mean, your plating skills improving, you know.
Thank you. Well,
your plating skills improving.
Right. Would you like a little more milk? You like it runny or you like it like
chunky?
That?
I like it. All right. Yeah, I agree here.
Tell me if you want sugar or you don't want sugar.
No. I'm trying to cut back on sugar.
All right. Very good.
So the truth is, I am not an oats lover.
Right.
But the nuts and the raisins, I'm tasting a little bit of the cinnamon.
Right.
It is helping it to be a little more palatable for me.
Right.
Because I am not an oats lover, you know. Right. I had a kind of force down oats if I have to eat
right.
oats, you know.
I understand.
But this is good.
It is very good. And this one thing about this will hold you. You understand what I say? This will keep you, when you drink oats or you eat oats, it keeps you for the day, the nuts, the raisins. You're getting all the food groups in there and your body is not fighting to digest complex sugars. You understand? It's simple sugars as found in fruits, simple fats as found in nuts. And that is it. You cook, you carry your oats to work, you carry the little raisins, you carry the little milk, and you could make that at work. And you don't have to study nothing, you understand? And you save yourself $10 or $20, you understand it?
I like it. Wait for today. Today's Friday, no?
Huh?
Wait for today, later.
What are for?
Yeah, today's Friday, no?
So what that mean?
Well, I mean, Friday, you know, Friday, we like lime, you know, we lime.
Well, you have money to lime, you have money. I go lime at home, you understand? In my backyard, you understand? Right now I was trying to dig a pond to grow tilapia. We gotta help ourselves, you understand?
You're digging a pond to grow tilapia?
Yes, you could grow tilapia in your yard.
We could talk about that next week.
Yes, I can't let you come home there. I wouldn't get no tilapia.
We'll talk about that next week. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Joel.
Try Philo's oats, guys. We put the recipe on trinicooks.com, so it's one that you can try.
Mr. Joel, wait me down here. Oh, good. You need to eat some oats. Oh, good.
We're coming back. More Foodie Friday fun here on A Cup of Joe.